Lad-Saf X3 detachable cable sleeve. Cable size. Prior to climbing with a Lad-Saf X2 or Lad-Saf X3 sleeve, please verify the cable size of the ladder safety system to ensure compatibility with your sleeve. While the X2 sleeve may be used on either 3/8 inch or 5/16 inch cables, X3 is designed exclusively for use on 3/8 inch cable and is the best choice for 3/8 inch cable systems. Pre-use inspection. Before climbing, always conduct a pre-use inspection of your Lad-Saf sleeve. Inspect the locking lever to ensure free rotation. When released, it should return to the locked position. Inspect the arm for bends or cracks. The arm should travel freely, and when released, it should return to the down position. Inspect the cam for damage and proper function. While holding the sleeve with the arm in the upright position, shake the sleeve up and down. The cam should rotate freely. Also, when the sleeve is placed horizontally and the arm is held in the upright position, the cam should rotate fully upwards. Inspect the rotating side plate for smooth function. When released, it should return to the forward position. Also, pull back on the side plate without rotating the locking lever. If the side plate is able to move freely, do not use the sleeve. Before climbing, ensure the inspections are up to date on the ladder safety system and the structure it's mounted to. See the user manual for further inspection guidelines or contact 3M Technical Services with any questions. Sleeve attachment. You can attach and detach the Lad-Saf X2 and Lad-Saf X3 sleeves to the cable using one hand. After attaching the sleeve carabiner to your chest D-ring, simply rotate the locking lever counterclockwise to its unlocked position. Pull the sleeve arm up to its full upright position and pull all the way back on the upper roller plate. Attach the sleeve to the cable, ensuring the arrow indicators point up, and release the locking lever, arm, and roller. Check that the locking lever has engaged and the sleeve is securely attached to the cable before climbing. To detach, simply repeat the process and remove the sleeve. Climbing technique. With the introduction of the dual independent locking system in the Lad-Saf X2 and Lad-Saf X3 sleeves, the proper climbing technique has changed. While ascending, maintain an upright body position parallel with the cable. Likewise, while descending, maintain the same upright body position parallel with the cable to avoid inadvertent lockup. An irregular, erratic motion while descending will cause the sleeve to lock up. To avoid inadvertent lockup, do not lean out away from the cable, pull on the sleeve, or try to force the sleeve up or down on the cable. See the next section for instructions on how to unlock the sleeve. Lockup. What to do? In the event your Lad-Saf X2 or Lad-Saf X3 sleeve inadvertently locks up while descending, do not grab the sleeve or try to force the sleeve either up or down on the cable. Instead, simply climb up a short distance on the ladder until the sleeve automatically releases. You can then continue to descend. Bypassing cable guides. To properly bypass Lad-Saf cable guides using an X2 or X3 sleeve, simply pull the cable out of the guides as you ascend the ladder. When descending the ladder, pull back slightly on the cable to descend past the cable guide, and then press the cable back into the cable guides as you travel past them. Note that the Lad-Saf X2 and Lad-Saf X3 sleeves are designed for compatibility with 3M DBI SALA Lad-Saf systems.